B and C aren't working, Python 3. I'm quite confused at why the option B or C doesn't work. You are supposed to be able to navigate the story by choosing any of the three options. The only option that works is A. It's probably the smallest thing I have overlooked. Click to see the code window. The program executes, from the functions.py, splash screens, which runs this. Located in functions.py through equals true key equals false. Story_1, from text.py. Image of the variable story_1. And then decision is located in functions.py.
For A, you set through equals false. For B and C you wrote through equals false, which just evaluates an expression but doesn't assign through.
Yeah.